and you can like take this and save it. The internet is kind of slow here.
We would do some editing in the data.
Yeah, and exactly, and you can add information like what kind of POI is it, what.
Can we change the POI type?
Yeah, exactly. You can just say, oh, this is actually an ATM instead, and then save it in the system, and it goes directly in the app.
Or add a new type.
Yeah, and then the icon changes as well. You can add information like, it could be different things like. In this it says something about Advantage membership or something, but it could be information. I don't know what kind of facility is it. Is it university or airport? This is an airport, so this is like the tax-free area. But then you can change information and stuff like that. And then it goes directly into the live system here, and this is an airport, so it has airside and landside, which means you can, if you're outside, you can't go in. So if you're inside the airport, you don't get directly. I want to go to McDonald's, and it's outside, so you don't have to go in and out of security. So you only see what is on the side you are on. Yeah. So it has, and you can use the position to get this information, and it's possible to add information about pictures or whatever you want in the system. Of course, information about the restaurant. And here, this is Copenhagen University with the different POIs here. You can take like the URL for them and send it to someone. If I have a meeting in this room, I can send this URL, and they get directly to the location I found here. Oh, maybe I didn't get it all. So if you're like a new student at the school or something, you can just send them meet at this auditorium, and they get that position. So you can send them as an email or in calendar booking or in an SMS or whatever it can be. And it's possible to change languages here. So right now this one is in Danish and English, so we can just click English, and all the POIs change.
Is it customizable?
What? Yeah.
Language customizable.
Yeah.
So any number of languages you like.
Yeah. So exactly in the CMS here, you can add different languages. So like this is Danish and English, but it could be Korean and English or other languages. And you can add like other keywords, like I want to be able to search for shopping or something, like at the top. Shopping.
Could be nicknames for that POI.
Yeah, exactly. So if I add this, then when I search for shopping, then this POI will come.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think that's like the brief tour of it, and of course there's some extra on the SDKs and stuff like that. But,
I want to know how to indoor navigation.
Yeah, it's sure. I can show you this in the app. So this is Copenhagen University. So let's say I want to go at bicycle parking. And right now it's my position, so if you're at the campus you can just use that, but right now we're pretty far from that, so I'll take something else. We'll take this. And you can say I want to avoid stairs, get directions, and you get from A to B.
And this can even be from outside campus, from a place elsewhere in the city.
Yeah, like if you take
how to build this node and link data.
what are you thinking?
I think it is possible when we got our network data,
Yeah,
like node and link.
yeah.
How to install or how to create.
Yeah, we make a graph. So normally from the customer we get like a drawing of where is it possible to walk. So if they have like a drawing of the campus, then they make some lines, and we can add that into the system.
Normally, as an input, we get CAD drawings, computer-aided design, CAD drawings, and then we process this and produce a network graph
Okay.
how to move around in the campus.
Like here, you can search for within it's the Google Places API. So I just say Tivoli in Copenhagen, and you get directions from Tivoli to the endpoint inside.
To a specific room.
Yeah,
And we calculate there's a number of entrances. We define some entry points around campus where we go from Google network to internal network.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, yeah, and you can of course choose different ways of if you
Public
want.
transportation,
Yeah.
for example.
Yeah, so it's data from Google Maps. Yeah. Sure if this, yeah, and you can implement different ways, but of course through the API.
it is a public site.
Yeah, it is. This one is public. So
I can send you that in information to you with links.
Okay,
to this. Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
but it's possible just to so they can implement the API wherever they want, just in an iframe.